So everyone is talking about aperture lights, which pretty much makes them the go-to for content creators and a lot of professional photographers and cinematographers. What if I told you I found a light that yields similar qualities for a content creator for just a fraction of the price? I call it the aperture light alternative. What's up guys, it's Rain here with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the light that I've been using for my key light for the past year, the Neewer RGB480. This light is so good, I picked up 2 extras as a part of a kit that I've linked in the description below. So the kit that I bought came with 2 lights, 2 desk mount stand, as well as 2 adapters to supply power. Each light came in a Neewer carrying pouch, which I assume is for transport or storage when you're not using it. The build quality of the light is metal, which makes it pretty durable. The U-mount bracket allows you to adjust the light angle according to your shooting environment. The lights come with barn doors, which serves to protect the light when it's not in use, as well as channel the light where it's needed. The light comes with a hard plastic diffuser that can be removed as needed. It has 240 RGB bulbs, 120 cool color white beads, and 120 warm color yellow beads. It also has a color rendering index of 95, which gives you true color reproduction in your videos. The light can be battery powered with the famous NPF batteries. However, the 12 volt adapter that is provided in the box allows you to supply the light with continuous power. On the back of the light, you have 2 dials and an LCD screen that display the mode, color temperature, and brightness percentage. The Neewer RGB480 light has 3 modes: a HSI mode, a CCT mode, and a scene mode. The color temperature of the light ranges from a warm 3200 Kelvin to a cool 5600 Kelvin, which gives you control over how your video looks. It is pretty easy to use the dials to adjust the settings, but you can use the Neewer app to wirelessly control the light. I love the app because it allows you to do everything you would use the dials to do from your smartphone. The Neewer RGB480 is great to use as a key light paired with a Neewer softbox or as a fill light with the brightness really low. The output of the light is great. As you can see, I could use only one as a key light to light myself for this video. Honestly, with the right camera settings, it's really easy to only use one light for all your videos. You can also use the RGB color to add color to your background, giving your videos a different look. With a couple of these lights, the possibilities are endless, and the icing on the cake is that it's cheap. The kit I purchased on Amazon was $146 and it presently has a $60 discount. After using this light for over a year, I can definitely recommend this light to anyone trying to create content, pros or beginners alike. So guys, that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.